Alright, good morning my detailing friends. Well, it's morning as I record this. Anyways, I wanted to record a quick video showing what I'm working on today. I've got this don't let me lie to you. Let me find out what year this vehicle is. I believe it's a 2014. It is a 15. This is a 2015 Lexus that we're working on today. And what I wanted to talk about today in this quick video is the importance of pricing correctly. Now, this car came in for a signature, what we call our signature exterior detail, and that includes 8 to 12 month ceramic and a full decon and a light polish. Now, if you're not getting cars like this in and you're saying, wow, this car is already clean, I'll tell you why, man. If you're not charging correctly, you will continue to get cars that are destroyed. You have to make sure that you're charging appropriately if you want to attract the correct customer. We recently started doing a ton of time trials to try to figure out how to price appropriately. For this job, we're charging $225. Now, you guys let me know in the comments if y'all think that is too much, not enough. Maybe I'm still too cheap. I used to charge $99. I used to charge $99 for a full decon and a light polish. And I was getting cars that were annihilated. And customers were expecting more than what I could deliver for $99. Furthermore, I was having to rush through the jobs. If y'all know the feeling of rushing through jobs because you're trying to make your hourly rate, you don't want to make $10 an hour, right? Well, that sucks. Does not provide a good experience. All right, guys, welcome to 4 hours into the future. We've finished up with the gloss enhancement, full decon on this beautiful 2015 Lexus, and the topic of the video is raise your prices. You saw how this car came in. It was already clean. It only took me 4 hours to accomplish this. I made $224 in 4 hours. I'll let you guys do the math on how much I made an hour. As I said before, I was charging $99 to do jobs like this, and I was getting cars that were in horrible shape, and I was getting customers that were picky, very picky, wanted a lot for a little. So if you guys are in that situation, definitely subscribe, like, and leave me a comment, because that's the type of stuff that I'm going to be talking about. That's the type of stuff I'm going to be talking about getting away from. Now, if you think I'm still charging too low, let me know. I want to hear in the comments if I can make more money on this service. I want to know if there's an experienced detailer out there watching this. Let me know. That's going to pretty much conclude this video. Go, detailer, go.